Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about how to activate a Tier 2 account in NPS. NPS Tier 2 account is voluntary and flexible where you can free to contribute and withdraw the funds without any restrictions. A Tier 2 regular account is not eligible for any tax benefits under NPS. To log in NPS portal, you have to enter the URL cra-nsdl.com. The link I will give it in description. In subscribers section, under user ID, enter the PRAN number. Then enter the NPS password. Then enter CAPTCHA. Then click this checkbox and then click submit. Click this agree button. This is the home page of NPS. In left hand side top, you have to see the make transaction. Under the make transaction, you have to see the activate investment account, and under investment account, select the Tier 2 account. So before ensure you have the PAN mobile number and email ID is updated present in your PAN account number. Read the instructions and then click proceed. This is the default screen. So you have two options, that is Tier 2 regular and tax saving scheme. First one, you have to activate Tier 2 regular only, then only you are able to activate tax saving account. So default that your PAN number, date of birth, card number, it will be automatically updated. So you have to verify and click the enter the CAPTCHA. Then click here to verify PAN. Click this checkbox and then click continue. So the OTPs will be sent to your registered mobile number. So enter the OTP and then click submit. Here you have to see the default details already pre-filled. You have to scroll down, then click save and proceed. Here now the Tier 2 activation record has been successfully initiated. So you will get SMS and email will be sent to your registered mobile number. So now you have to select the scheme details. Now you have to choose the fund manager. So you have to choose any one of the fund manager under this. So here I will take SBI. So now you have to choose the investment options widely. So what portions you need: equity, corporate bond, government bonds. If you take balance and auto, that fund will allot automatically itself. If you take active, you have to give the allocation for corporate bonds, government bonds, equity, mixed funds, etc. So here I will take auto, and then here I will take moderate. It will be automatically allotted for a pension fund. So now click save and proceed. Now you can assign the nominee part. Already the nominee, as you given the Tier 1 already pre-filled here. If you want to change the nominee for Tier 2, you have to change. Otherwise, you have to keep it as Tier 1. It is automatically pre-filled. So if you have to verify and then click save and confirm. Then you have to upload the PAN card, scanned copy PAN card here. This is the final step. You have to authenticate via OTP or Aadhaar based e-sign. So enter the CAPTCHA and click here to generate OTP. Once the OTP will receive, you have to enter the OTP here. PS Tier 2 account will be successfully activated. And then you have to start investing your payments. That's it about the video, friends. Press the like button, subscribe to my channel and follow me for more financial videos.